In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use weights in Dragon Block C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Equipping weights can be a nice way to increase your TP gain. So in order to use these weights, you will have to open a specific menu. This menu is toggled by a button that is set on your controls. So if you pause the game, you go to controls and you look for GNRU's GARM core or something similar, you will see second function, and all that you have to do is change this keybind. Usually, for most people, it is going to be bound by default to F2 on your keyboard. So if you press F2, it should bring up this menu, extra slots. But if it doesn't, just change the secondary function key here. Once it is changed to whatever button you want, you can then press it to open the menu. And in here, you will find the option to equip weights. So you will see head, body, and finally weight. Now you can drag whatever item you want to equip in here. The weight will be used and you will be able to increase the experience gain. So having the weights equipped can affect the TP that you will gain. So you use these whenever you are trying to train to become stronger. Having waved clothing will increase this, and you will be able to switch between whatever it is that you want to use. I'm not going to showcase every single weight clothing right now currently in the game, but after you acquire something, you can equip it in this slot and it will be used automatically. You will see the change reflected on your character, so whatever you equip will be displayed. And like I said, the only difficulty is finding how to open this menu. So try F2. If F2 doesn't work, go into the controls of your game and check whatever it is that second function is bound to and change it accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to use weights in Dragon Block C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.